Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing. I have ordered a soldering machine with 7 items at a cost of $192 in Flipkart with a discount of 72 or 77%. Today I received the order from Flipkart. Back side it is around 549. I guess you can see the cost, but I have ordered it at 192 rupees only because of an offers. You need a cutting plier and a order box to remove these openings. To open this side, you can open here, but top it is covered full. Packing secret is slice it like this and like this. Do it gently, don't underpress it, as it may cut the things inside. To the surface only you have to cut. Yes, I can open. Voila! Here are the things in the box. Here is the packing of the things. Here is the soldering iron. Let me open it and show it to you. Soldering machine, handle, tip, and a cable. 25 watts. And a metal holder to hold the soldering machine on table. It has to be attached. I will show it. We received 3 items here: this solder bricks, soldering flux, this one, this solder bricks, and white soldering material. Aluminum metal, I guess. A small tong to hold small items. Here you can see the cardboard dust. And then wire cutter. Let me open the wire cutter. Most of you know the purpose of the wire cutter: to cut wires of a small size to bigger size, separating the protecting layer from the copper wires. You can see this where an acrylic work is undergoing, and you will see these things were undergoing while in your house while After you continue wiring will be done, then that time you can say these things. Grippers, bolt to stop, close it. Here is the lock date. If you press again, it will unlock. Let me press it, lock it. The light this will be. Oh no. In this area you place the vice and you will cut it. Let me place it back in the cover. Let me open it here. Due to the consistency, it will lock. And here is a small tongue. This is a rubber strip, and you can see the tongue. By pressing like this, you can hold small items like this. You can hold small items like diodes, resistors. Okay, this is a product. This is a small has given to product door to cover it as it will open like this. We will place it back in the cover. Two items has completed, and this is a stand. Aluminum metal body and a spring. Let me open the soldering one before. Open it carefully. Adapter, soldering machine. Then you place the socket in the blackboard. It will receive electricity. It will turn into heat energy. And here is the tip of copper and nickel. Let me see it on this. The bit is made up of copper. It is quick in melting of solder wire, and it is quick heating. And the company is Vargas Technology. Yeah, I ordered. On the tag Herug cave. I will press it back. I want to open this now, and so I want to use this. Let me open it. And I have done a stapling here. Remove the pin safely. And place it in a safe place. Here is a desoldering flux made up of copper. You can say copper lining inside. And the thickness is very small. And the soldering flux or the supporting material, I don't know the technical term. With this you will place it on the circuit where you want to solder, and due to the heat process in this tip, this will melt down and it will fall down onto the circuit. And after that you will take a copper wires or the nickel strips on the strips you want to place it, and you will do soldering. And this is a flux to support better soldering. If the things won't stick easily, if you have to use flux, it will act as a supporting member and it will speed up the process of soldering. Here you can see the 3 items: 4, 5 tong, small tong, 6 cutting plier, and the last item is the stand. You open it off. Okay. Take it out safely. punched this one for a support. Anyways, this is a spring, and here they've got a hook, small hook, to attach onto this. Let me open it and attach it. You can see the thing properly. Place like this, hold it, and place the bolt of the nut. While the stand is ready, let me show you how to use that stand. By soldering, if you place this one, it will burn the things present beside it. It's touching the surface here. You can place like this to avoid burning. That's it for this video, friends. I hope you have seen some electric stuff here. If you find some gadgets useful, let me know your views on this one. Thank you.